Hello everybody, thanks for coming to the CEO Pathway channel and to my Grammarly review video. So we're inside of Grammarly now. This is the premium version of Grammarly and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to upload a document. So I'm going to come here in new, click on upload. And I'm going to actually be downloading a Grammarly review article that I'm writing. So this is my final draft. Let's go here to open. So as you can see, it takes me inside of Grammarly and asks me to set some goals. So based on what I'm going to be doing with this article, document, whatever it is, I can set my goals. Okay, so it is gonna ask me, it's asking me here about the audience, formality, the domain, the tone, and the intent. So let's do this. So the audience. So what I'm thinking here, so considering my Grammarly review article is for someone that is looking to find out more about Grammarly. So I would say that my audience is general. It's not knowledgeable about the subject, right? Because if they're looking for information, they want to find out more. So let's go as general. For formality, I'm going to leave more informal. I want this to be an informal article. For domain, so it's asking here, it is academic, business, general, technical, casual, creative. So I'm going to leave it as general. And then going down, it's asking for my tone. So this is like, how do you want to sound, right? You want to sound neutral, friendly, confident, urgent, joyful. So what I always like to go more for the friendly side. I want to sound confident, that I know what I'm talking about, joyful. And I'm going to put a little bit of analytical because I have some statistics in this article. So that's good. And then my intent. So my intent with this article is actually to inform people. So I'm going to inform them about Grammarly and about how to use it and about my opinion. Okay, so I'm just going to click on done. So we're done here. All right, so we are ready. The document's already downloaded, uploaded, and then as you can see, while I was setting up the goals, Grammarly was already kind of analyzing my document. As you can see here, my overall score, so my performance with this document is already 96. So that means that I did pretty well just writing on a Word document before I actually upload it here. So that's great. That doesn't always happen, just so you know. So what I try to do is to keep my documents in a high 90s. I've been writing for a while and I had never reached 100. I don't think it's even possible, but maybe it is, but not for me, it looks like. So 96 is really good, but it still gives me here some things that I need to correct. So it's giving me 9 alerts, and these alerts are related to spelling, grammar, and punctuation. It's telling me that the document is clear. So this is how will people understand? Like, is this easier to understand or it's going to be hard to understand? You want your document to be easy to understand. You don't want people to have to reread your document or say like, what is this person talking about? No, you want it to be clear, right? And the engagement, it's saying that my document is a little bland, so I don't want that. So let's do some work here to make it a little bit more engaging, because I want someone to come to this article on my blog. By the way, it's going to be posted on ceopathway.com, my blog. And so I want it to be engaging. I want someone to open this article and read it and really like it, enjoy it, find informational, find it interesting, and just really enjoy the reading, right? So as you can see here, this is an almost 4,000 word document. So I don't want people falling asleep while writing or while reading this. So I want to make it more engaging if I can, okay? So we're going to work on that. But another thing that I can look at and this is only available in a premium version, is for plagiarism. And this is very important, okay? Because if you're trying to write something, you don't want anybody saying that you copy from anybody else, right? I if I hit plagiarism here and I get a high percentage, I'm gonna be shocked because I wrote this article based on my experience with Grammarly, so I didn't copy from anybody. But let's use as an example. If you don't know very well the subject that you're writing about, and then you go online and you search, you open articles, you look here and there, and then you take some of those ideas and write an article yourself. It could be that some of those phrases or some of the way you put the text together, it's gonna look like you copied. So you want to be able to have a tool like this to let you know if it sounds like you're copying, because you don't want that, right? If you're creating a website, the last thing you want is Google flagging you for copying information, copying articles, content from someone else. You really don't want that, right? All right, so let's go to plagiarism and see what happens. So what happens during this period is Grammarly starts checking against billions of web pages. So it takes a little bit, okay? It's not a long time, but it takes a little bit to check. Okay, good. So everything is back. And it's saying that my overall percentage of plagiarism is only 4%. This is really good, okay? So like I said, I wrote this article based on my personal experience. So I would be shocked if he gave a high percentage of plagiarism here. So besides the total percentage, it gives you the individual percentage based on other documents. So it's saying here that I have a 1% based on the source, for this other one, another 1%. So you understand how it works. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to worry about this. I'm actually going to close it. And now we're going to go back to the document and to anything else that I need to correct here. Okay. So Grammarly is going to give me some things that I need to correct. And also it's going to make some suggestions, right? Suggestions for words that I should use. It lets me know if I'm using same word several times, or gives me options of maybe you should use this word instead, so you sound smarter, or to make your document a little bit more clear. So it really is a great tool. If you're thinking about writing, whatever you're writing, even if it's not a book or anything like that, it's a great tool to have, because it just makes you feel so much more confident about writing. And as you can hear on my voice, English is not my first language, so English is my second language. And using Grammarly, I felt confident enough to actually write my first book. So I published my book a few months ago on Kindle, and I'm very happy with the results, very happy with my book and how it's performing. I almost feel like I'm ready to write my next one. And that's a great feeling, right? Because I didn't feel like that before I started using Grammarly. I was always wondering if I was writing well enough, if I was able to publish, what people were gonna think about my book, if it was gonna be clear, and if people would like it. So using Grammarly really helped me a lot there. So yeah. So if you feel like you don't wanna pay for the premium version, use the free version then, right? You can start with the free version, and then if you want to upgrade to the premium version, go ahead. But honestly, this is such a great tool. I don't think you should waste any time. Just get it, at least the free version. You can use it to even when you're writing your Facebook posts, when you're writing your work emails, or writing a love letter, or whatever it is. You can use it for anything related to writing. So take the opportunity, use this tool. It really is a so easy to use, as you could see in this video. And I'm leaving actually a link below this video that takes you directly to Grammarly if you want to read more about it, and just check it out. But this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back to my page, come back to my channel again to watch the other videos that I'm going to be posting. If you like to subscribe, please do. Leave your comments also below this video. Thank you again for coming and for watching this video, and take care. Okay? Thank you. Bye.